Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Mercy and Ike's love still going strong as they announce the premiere of their own reality TV show. Mercy and Ike are working hard privately and they paid less attention to gossip about their relationship on social media for the past weeks. Now they have shocked everyone as they announced that their set reality TV show is set to premiere on African Magic TV in a few weeks. Mercy Ike, winner of the Big Brother Naija show 2019, just released a video on her Instagram page which turns out to be a thriller to a reality show by herself and Ike. For the past few weeks, the relationship was suspected to have taken a terrible turn shortly after the show ended. Many of their fans speculate it could be as a result of the unnecessary relationship between Tasha and Mercy. Well, contrary to what many think regarding the Mercy and Ike relationship, it appears they have indeed been spending a lot of time in private. The release of the trailer video today took the internet by storm as it was not expected. We saw Mercy reminding Ike in the clips that she told him to make a choice. Could it be to choose between herself and Tasha? While we have to wait until the 26th of April to find out on African Magic Showcase DSTV channel 151, this undoubtedly promises to be exciting. A return match for Mercy and Ike alongside their drama is definitely a welcome development. Okay guys, I hope you're excited about this new reality TV show set to premiere on African Magic. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more updates on this. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.